I will be... Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be just a quick video showing you guys all of my product empties throughout the winter season. Hi baby. So I'm going to quickly go through all of these for you guys. I'll do these seasonally instead of yearly because that's like way too many and I was getting a little bit overwhelmed and I really need to get this out. So I'll be doing product empties seasonally on my channel if you guys are interested in that. They'll just be really quick, short videos. You guys can see what I love to use. You guys will see what I love in a minute. But also you can see if I ended up liking these products or I didn't like these products and I just wanted to get rid of them. But first, if you guys like this look, it will be in an upcoming video where I am doing 3 looks merging these 2 palettes together. So keep an eye out for that. It is the Blue Blood and the Blood Sugar Sisters. But let's go ahead and start moving on with these product empties. I'm just gonna get these things out of the way because these are annoying. I wear a lot of makeup and I use a lot of makeup remover wipes. I normally buy whatever is the cheapest. The ones I do not like is the actual Neutrogena ones, just because those are really scratchy and they hurt my skin when I use them, which isn't the point of makeup remover wipes. So, you know, I just go through a whole bunch. I'm almost out of another one, but it only has like 2 left, so I can add 1 more in the mix. I do wear a lot of makeup, and I take a lot of makeup off my face. I have gone through one of these. And I normally get the Neutrogena, but I figured I would try these to see if it works just as good. It does. Save some money, just buy the off-brand. And then I did get this in a little gift set with my Monsieur Big mascara. And this is, it works just the same. They work the same, y'all. Just the oil-free ones, they're great for removing eye makeup. Speaking of Monsieur Big, I did go through mine. It has now dried up and I'm very sad. But I do have a lot of other unopened mascaras from beauty boxes that I'm trying to get through. I will repurchase this as soon as I am done with those mascaras. This one is Bad Gal Bang. I did decide to use this and it was fine, but nothing can top my Monsieur Big as of right now. Next, I will go through my toners that I've tried. I really love Rose toners, you guys. I just bought a new one, and I like this one from Pearlessence, and I normally get these at TJ Maxx. Here's the one that I recently went through this winter. After I do my face cleansing routine, I will go over with toner just to make sure that it got off all my makeup. And this does remove quite a bit of makeup that I didn't even realize was left on my face. And Rose is very hydrating, so I really love the way that this smells and it makes my face feel. I got this at TJ Maxx. This one is actually a Wet n Wild toner. It is a rose. It was part of their Rebel Rose collection. This didn't last me long at all because it was such a small amount, but it still smelled really good and it did what it was supposed to do. Using a toner after your skincare routine restores the pH balance of your skin, so that's always good to have, especially if you have stripped everything off while cleansing. I did go through this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is a beautiful setting mist. I am currently trying to get through my Urban Decay one right now, my all-nighter, so as soon as this one is done, I will be repurchasing another one of these. Even though it did not last long, it's one of the most beautiful setting sprays I've ever tried. I did go through one of these. This is the Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear. This is in the color 420, and this is the only foundation I have worn since I've tried it. I have not put on any other foundation on my face. It is one of the best foundations I have ever used in my life, and that's not saying much because I haven't tried that many foundations, but I have dry skin and this thing is Oh, I feel like if I were to go back to all the other foundations in my collection, I'm going to be so disappointed in them. For lip products, I did go through a Laneige Rose Lip Sleeping Mask and the Hot Cocoa Peppermint Lip Scrub by Jeffree Star. I normally don't go through a lot of lip products unless it's something like this that you wear to prep your lips or you wear overnight to, you know, hydrate them again. I am signed up for the Dollar Shave Club and I do get products full size, so I did go through this body cleanser and it is Calming Amber and Lavender, and it's just, you know, a regular gel shower cleanser. It smells beautiful and I used up this entire thing. For skincare, I went through the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I did get this in, I believe, an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I did go through this. I went through a whole bunch of samples. One of the samples was the Bye Bye Makeup from It Cosmetics. I went through the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I get a lot of samples with Sephora purchases, Ulta purchases, free gifts, and also beauty boxes. The Rose Face Mask from Fresh. I went through 2 Hungarian thermal waters from Peter Thomas Roth, and I went through an anti-aging cleansing gel from Peter Thomas Roth, and then I went through 2 Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour moisturizers. So those are all the samples that I've gone through. And lastly is my candles. Y'all, I love candles. I love floral candles, but in the winter, I love like the Christmas tree smelling candles. So I did go through 2 of these. I have 1 left, but I didn't get through it all the way, and I'm actually saving it for next winter. So I did go through 2 gigantic, I mean, these things are like, look at that. That's huge. That's a big candle. So I did go through 2 of these. I get all my candles at TJ Maxx because honestly, candles are expensive and TJ Maxx has them for amazing prices. My favorite smell is Peony Petals, and this has been a long time favorite of mine. I love floral smelling candles, so I have gone through a couple nice sized peony petal candles, and these are also all from TJ Maxx. And then I did go through 1 Gardenia Rose candle, which is another beautiful smelling candle. And that is all I have for winter empties, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my product empties. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos or if you're not the biggest fans of them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!